Here's one for you. Probably, I don't think anybody's seen this one yet, but tell me if I'm wrong. 2003 Dodge 2500, 5.9 Cummins. Took it in to get emissions done on it, and let's say it failed. The code that came up was a P628, fuel pump A control circuit low, which is the transfer pump that sits on the side of the block before the injection pump. Emission shows failed. Customer had a tune on it. Come to find out, what it was doing is making the code active, erasing the code, making the code active, erasing the code. Here is the code, I guess you can see. Give you an idea. It's keeping the light on, key on engine running was a fail. Everything else good to go. But now, with the code gone, take the tuning off, still has a code in there for it, but it's allowing it to pass. I'm guessing the tuning is wrong, not sure, but kind of interesting. Take the tune off of it, passes, not a problem. This is why when you take your stuff to the shop, you got to let them know what's on the truck before we start working on the truck. Good to know.